I'm going to show you one of the wildest sales attempts I have ever seen in my entire life. This shows you how ruthless they are here in Egypt. When you're taking a Nile River cruise, you have to go through a lock in Esna, which requires the boat to stop for a while next to the shore with everyone watching. So the salesmen love to take advantage of this by trying to sell you things from the ground below or from boats. What would normally be seen as pretty absurd by people on the boat turns into a bit of a tourist attraction. It's kind of a thing to buy a towel from these guys on the boat, which is good because I would be sad if they made no money. So if you want to buy something, they'll throw it up in a plastic bag where you can check out what it looks like. If you don't like it, you can throw it back. But if you do like it, you can get another bag or something else and you can put the money in it and throw it back down. Hopefully you don't miss. Here you can see a couple people putting some cash into another bag, which they're going to tie up and throw back down. So now they've got their cash and the other people have got their towel. Very happy. When we actually got into the lock, I thought that the show was over. But then at the end, I realized that these dedicated guys had come into the lock with us in all the fumes of the boats and were selling things. Luckily, they made some more sales at this time, but even if they make some sales, it's never enough. They followed us for a good 10 or 15 minutes, really hassling their tapestries, and they even got one more sale where someone threw money back to them in a water bottle. I hope they were able to get it out. Let me know what you think of this adventure.